In last lecture, we have done exercise 3.3, question number 2. Now we are going to do question number 3 of exercise 3.3. So, what is question number 3? Find dy by dx if first one is what? Y is equals to log of x to the power x plus x to the power log x. As we know, we can apply log only on product of quantities. So here we will see log of x to the power x plus x to the log x to the power log x, but we can use only on product. That means log of m to the m into n to the base a can be written as log of n to the log of n to the base a, but we can not apply log on m plus n. So what we will do here, as we know, differentiation of u plus v is equals to differentiation of u with respect to x plus differentiation of v with respect to x. Correct? So we will assume y as u plus v. Let y is equals to u plus v. Then u is equals to log of x to the base s x and v is equals to x to the power log x. Hope so everyone got it. Okay, so now we will differentiate separately u and v. Then what we will do, we will apply in this formula. Okay, so this will be taking log on both side in both the terms. So this will be log u is equals to log of log x to the power x and log v is equals to log of x to the power log x. So now by exponent rule of log of m to the power n to the base can be written as n into log m to the base a. So this will be log of u can be written as x into log over log x. This is one function and this is another function. Similarly, log of v is equals to log of x into log of x. So indirectly we can write it as log of x the whole square, or we can use u into v. So now we will differentiate log u and log v simultaneously one by one. So differentiating with respect to x. First we will differentiate u. So differentiation of log u with respect to x would be differentiation of x log over log x. Correct? This is our u, this is v. So by uv rule, u into v rule of differentiation is u into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u. So this will be, and differentiation of log of f of x is 1 upon f of x into f dash of x. So this will be 1 upon u into differentiation of u with respect to x. Now here x into differentiation of log over log x plus log over log x into differentiation of x. So this will be 1 upon u du upon dx. As we know, differentiation of log of f of x is equals to 1 upon f of x into f dash of x. That means again differentiation of f of x. Now here we will see log over f of x. This will take as, we will take f of x. So this will be x upon log x. First we will differentiate this log. So this will be go in denominator. So again differentiation of log x. So we will again differentiate only this function plus log over log x. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So indirectly this will be 1 upon u du upon dx is equals to, this will become x upon log x into differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log of log x. Correct. So now x gets cancelled. So here du by dx is equals to u into, in bracket, x cancel, 1 upon log x plus log over log x. So we will replace u by its original value, which is log of x to the power x into, in bracket, 1 upon log x plus log over log x. Now similarly we will differentiate v. So here log of v is equals to log of x the whole square. We have derived in sum. So now differentiating with respect to x. So differentiation of log v is equals to differentiation of log x the whole square. So this will be differentiation of log of f of x is 1 upon f of x into f dash of x. That means 1 upon v, again differentiation of v with respect to x is equals to, now here we will use x raised to n, and rather than x raised to n we can write differentiation of f of x raised to n. So their differentiation will be n into f of x raised to n minus 1. As we are writing x raised to n, differentiation of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. We are using f dash of x. So this will be f dash of x. Okay, again we have to differentiate f of x. Okay, so here 2 log of x into again differentiation of f of x, which is log x. So indirectly this will be 1 upon v dv upon dx is equals to 2 log of x into 1 by x. So indirectly 2 upon x log x, which is 1 by v dv upon dx. So dv upon dx would be v into 2 upon x log x. Now what is the v? V is our x to the power log x into 2 by x log x. This is our dv upon dx. Now as we know, since y is equals to u plus v. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to, what is du by dx? Du by dx is log of x to the power x in bracket 1 upon log x plus log over log x plus dv upon dx. Now dv upon dx is x raised to log x in bracket 2 by x into log x. This is our final answer. Now the second problem of question number 3 is second problem, y is equals to x raised to x plus e raised to x. Now again this is in form of addition, so let y is equals to u plus v. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv upon dx. This is equation 1. Now let, so u will be x raised to x and v will be e raised to x. So taking log on both side, and we will take log on the both side in first term only, that is u, because we know a raised to x, differentiation of a raised to x. So this will be log of u log of x raised to x. So this will be log of u is equals to x into log x. So this will be differentiating with respect to x. Therefore, differentiation of log u is equals to differentiation of x into log x, and differentiating v with respect to x will be differentiation of a raised to x. As you all know the uv rule, so this will be 1 upon u log 1 upon u differentiation of u with respect to x is x into differentiation of log x with respect to x plus log x into differentiation of x with respect to x. So, and here differentiation of v with respect to x will be e raised to x log u. So this will become 1 upon u du upon dx is equals to x upon x, log x का differentiation 1 by x, and this will be log x. So du upon dx is equals to u into 1 plus log x. Now what is u? U is equals to x raised to x, so we will replace u by x raised to x. This is our du upon dx and this is upon dv upon dx. So finally what we will say, since dy upon dx is equals to du upon dx plus dv upon dx, we will replace du by dx by x raised to x 1 plus log x, and dv upon dx by e raised to x log a. This is our final answer. Now similarly we will do the next third one. In third sum, y is equals to 10 to the power x raised to x plus 10 x raised to 10 plus 10 raised to 10x. So again here this all terms are in addition, so we will take y, let y is equals to u plus v plus w, three terms. So therefore dy by dx will be du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx. Now this is 1. So u will be 10x raised to x. So taking log on both side. Now we are I am solving one by one. First u, then v, then w. Okay. So log q is equals to log of 10 raised to x to the power x. Either we can take this whole term or this term. Okay. So this will be, we can take this one, x raised to x to the log 10. So this is our log. Now differentiating with respect to x. So this will be differentiation of log u with respect to x is equals to differentiation of right hand side, which is x raised to x log 10. As we all know, log 10 is a constant, so we will take outside and we will differentiate this. So this will make a complication, but again we can solve it. So 1 upon u du upon dx is equals to log 10 differentiation of x raised to x. Again we will consider x raised to x as z. This is 2. Let x raised to x z is equals to x raised to x. So log of z is equals to log of x raised to x, taking log on both the sides. So this will be log of z is equals to x log x. Now we will differentiate z with respect to x. So log of z is equals to x log x. Differentiating with respect to x. So differentiation of log z is equals to differentiation of x log x. So this will be 1 upon z dz upon dx is equals to x dx differentiation of log x plus log x into differentiation of x with respect to x. So dz upon dx is equals to z into differentiation of 1 by x, log x is 1 by x and here is x, so x by x plus log x. So this will be replace z, so z is x raised to x and this will be 1 plus log x dz upon dx. Now we know 1 upon u du upon dx, which we have derived previously, 10 differentiation of x raised to x. Z is dz upon dx is differentiation of this, so we will replace So x raised to x 1 plus log x. This is our 1 upon u du upon dx. So du upon dx will be u into in bracket log 10 into x raised to x into 1 plus log x. Now what is u? U is our 10 x to the power x, 10 raised to x to the power x into log 10 x to the power x 1 plus log x. So we can write it as 10 raised to x to the power x into x raised to x 1 plus log x into log 10. This is our du by dx. Now we have to differentiate v, which we have considered as 10 raised to x raised to 10. So taking log on both sides, as we know differentiate okay, so v is log v is equals to log of 10 to the power x to the power 10. So we can take x raised to the 10. So this will be log of v x raised to 10 log 10. So differentiating with respect to x. So differentiation of log v with respect to x will be differentiation of x raised to 10 into log 10. Now we will see x raised to 10 is a variable part and log 10 will be the real part there, because there is no x now in this term inside the log. So this will be considered as a constant. So we will take log 10 outside and differentiate x raised to 10. So this will be x raised to n, differentiation of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. So this will be log 10 into 10 x raised to 9. So indirectly we can write it 10 into x raised to 9 log 10. This is our 1 upon v dv upon dx. 1 upon v dv upon dx. So dv upon dx will be v into in bracket 10 x raised to 9 log 10. So what is the actual value of v? Is 10 raised to x to the power 10 into x raised to 9 into 10 log 10. So we will take 10. Now the third one is v. What is v? Oh, sorry, w. 10 raised to 10 x. We can take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. So log of w is equals to log over 10 raised to 10 to the power x. Now we will take 10 raised to x log 10. This is our log w. Now differentiating with respect to x. So their differentiation will be what? Differentiating with respect to x will be differentiation of log w is equals to differentiation of 10 raised to x log 10. Now log 10 is constant, we will take it outside and we will differentiate only 10 raised to x. As we know a raised to x, the differentiation of a raised to x, we will use that formula. Okay, so 1 upon w, differentiation of w with respect to x. So this will be log 10 into differentiation of 10 raised to x. So dw upon dx is equals to w in bracket log 10, and the differentiation of 10 raised to x, that is e raised to x, is e raised to x, that is 10 raised to x, into log a, that is log 10. So indirectly dw upon dx will be, what is w? 10 to the power 10 raised to x into 10 raised to x log 10 the whole square. Now we know from 1 dy upon dx is equals to du upon dx plus dv upon dx plus dw upon dx. So we will replace du by dx, this term, dv upon dx by this, and dw by dx by this. So dy by dx will be 10 raised to x to the power x in bracket log x to the power x 1 plus log x into log 10 plus dv upon dx 10 raised to x to the power 10 into x raised to 9 10 into log 10 plus dw upon dx is 10 raised to 10x, which is above, in bracket 10 raised to x into log of 10 the whole square. If we will see, we can find out log 10, log 10, log 10 square. All common in log 10 is common in all the terms, so we can take log 10 common. So indirectly this will be 10x to the power x, 10 raised to x to the power x into x to the power x 1 plus log x plus x 10 to the power x to the power 10 into x raised to 9 into 10 plus 10 raised to 10 to the power x into 10 raised to x into log 10, all in bracket into log 10. This is our final answer.